Hello, everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. Once again, I'm here with you with all of the new jobs, and all of them are local. But all of the jobs are from Dubai. For all of the local people, like the Dubai nationals, and all of them, which are who are living in these days in Dubai. Let's watch the job list today. General accountant, assistant accountant, decorator for cake design required in Abu Dhabi, security guard, heavy vehicle drivers, government company, account sales executive jobs in Dubai, legal arbitration assistant jobs in Dubai, travel consultant jobs in Dubai, walk-in interview, aluminium fabricators needed in Sharjah, warehouse helper jobs in Dubai. So that was my job list today. I'm hoping there is something for you as well. May Allah keep us in good health and with all of the faith on Him. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for all of the latest updates. And up till now, if you are not subscribing it, so go for it and subscribe my channel, like my all videos, and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. So let's start with the details of the job. First job was general accountant. They didn't mention the company name, so they just write over there ABC. So employment type full time, salary is 2 to 4,000 AED. Job role accountant, minimum work experience 0 to 1 years, minimum education level bachelor's degree. Description. So, we are looking for a motivated and hardworking professional with qualifications and experience in accounting with a strong and excellent communication skills and the double entry system. Capturing expenses in the ERP and telesystems recording payments and receipts in same. Keeping customer and supplier balances up to date and carrying out aged receivables analysis. Carrying out bank reconciliations. Above qualified candidate can send their CV on WhatsApp. So they want the person who is following all of the things which they are demanded. So if you are interested and you think that you are qualifying all of the needs which they are looking for, so apply for the job and share your CV on their WhatsApp number. So they have given you their WhatsApp number. Assistant accountant. Next job is of assistant accountant. Employment type full time, monthly salary 2 to 4 AD, benefits all inclusive depending on experience and qualification. Benefits will be awarded according to your experience and your qualifications. Minimum work experience would be 2 to 5 years and minimum education level bachelor's degree. So this is the minimum need of the job. If you have more than this experience and you have more education above that minimum education level, obviously your benefits and your salary would be according to that. So then assistant accountant description. Position title assistant accountant, employment type full time, salary up to 3,500 AED, all inclusive depending on experience and qualifications. Job locations Dubai, UAE, and about the client they want to discuss themselves. Like the hiring company is one of the market leaders across the UAE when it comes to kitchen appliances. So they are well known company and they are concerned with kitchen appliances. So they are the sole distributor of the most renowned European brands here in the UAE. Now, the job role for the assistant accountant input and maintain accurate records of stock received and issued, perform routine record keeping and related clerical and office coordination duties, including but not limited to data entry, file maintenance, general records management, and loss control. Preparation of purchase orders from field request requisitions, receive, reconcile, and distribute goods appropriately, receive containers and materials, label and prepare such materials, manage timesheets, organize price negotiation with shipping companies to trace the order status, and coordinate with suppliers to provide shipping docs coordinate the activity between the logistic and transport providers in order to accomplish the delivery process. This is the job role for the assistant accountant, and those who are working as an assistant accountant and those who studying the degree about the assistant accountants must know their duties, and they will understand all of the things needed by the company. The requirements open to Indian candidates, so they only Indians can apply for this job. Male and females, both male and females are welcome there, but age should be 35 or less than that. Bachelor's degree in any relevant field, at least 2 years of UAE experience in the same role, excellent communication skills, highly organized and knowledgeable in accounting terminologies. I'm sorry. So females and males both can apply. Only Indians can apply. Age limit should be 35 years. Must have the minimum degree relevant is bachelor's, at least 2 years of experience, and the person should have the good communication skills as well. And how to apply? They have mentioned their email address, so you can send your CV in Word format on that email address, and you need to write the word assistant accountant in the subject of their email. Then the next job is decorator for cake design, required in Abu Dhabi. Employment type full time, monthly salary 2000 to 4 AAD. Benefits health insurance, minimum work experience 2 to 5, minimum education level high school. These are the minimum requirements, and in benefits only health insurance is there, and salary is 2 to 4 AAD. 2 to 4,000 age, I mean. Then description for the cake decorator is at least 2 to 5 years of experience, and please send your cake design pictures to WhatsApp, and you need to send any designs which you have made for the cakes. So you need to send them on the given email ad for WhatsApp number, and you can share your CV as well through this WhatsApp number. Then security guard, heavy vehicle drivers. It's a government company that needs a security guard and heavy vehicle drivers. Company name is Guide International Services. Employment type full time. Monthly salary 2 to 4,000 AED. Job role security guard. Benefits as per UAE law. It means all of the benefits will be provided by the company: accommodation, transportation, food, overtime, all that. All these benefits would be provided to you by the company if you are hired, if you are going to be hired there. Then the description: urgently looking for security guard. Walk-in interview. SIRA holders only. The security guards must have SIRA, the certifications, and a reputed government company. We are hiring for security guards. Salary 2407, 28 working days, 12 hours duty. Accommodation, transportation, medical insurance can be provided by the company. All nationalities are accepted. Exemptions for Pakistanis, Nigerians, and Bangladeshis, and all of them, all nationalities can apply except Pakistanis, Nigerians, and Bangladeshis. Then heavy vehicle drivers, there is another job for from the government company. Then the salary 3,000, duty hours 48 hours in a week, no accommodation and food, medical insurance, job location Dubai, license number 4. You must have the, if you are a driver, you must have license number 4 that was necessary for the driving of heavy vehicles. License should be 3+ years old, and visit our office location, and they have given their postal address. Their timings should be 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Saturday to Thursday. You can contact them. They have given their WhatsApp number, they have given their landline number, and call timings should be 8 to 5 Saturday to Thursday. And the call and WhatsApp, both the numbers are given along with the postal address. You can contact them through any of these contact if you are interested in the security guard and heavy vehicle driver job. Then sales executive jobs in Dubai. Employment type full time, monthly salary 2 to 4,000 AED, job role account sales executive. Benefits as per UAE law, it's a good news as if it is according to the government, then the law, then the benefit should be, much more. Minimum work experience 2 to 5 years, minimum education level high school secondary. And the description for the account sales executive jobs in Dubai, they are looking for outdoor sales executive who have previous experience in food trading rice business. So only those can apply who have some experience regarding the job type account sales executive. So roles and responsibilities, travel within sales territory to meet prospect and customer. So you need to travel. It may be one of the thing you need to do during the duty hours, that you need to travel to the to meet the prospect and to the customers. Then conduct calls and face-to-face meeting with retailers on daily basis. You need to talk to all of the retailers maybe on daily basis. Build and maintain good relationships with existing and new customers. And you need to work on the PR as well, and you should have the good relationships. In fact, you need to build and you need to maintain both of the things is the responsibility of the account sales executive, to make the good sort of relationships with the new and all of the existing customers. Maintain records of sales lead and customer accounts. You need to, obviously, it's very important to maintain all of the records regarding the customers, regarding the sales and all that. Sales companies products and services to retailers within your given territory, and should have valid UAE driving license. It's a very important thing. It's a very must thing, you can say. And everyone has their driving license while applying for such jobs. So there is a contact number. This is, by the way, WhatsApp number. You can share your CV if you are interested in doing this kind of job and you have the capability to meet all of these demands demanding that specific company. Then legal arbitration assistant jobs in Dubai. Employment type full time, minimum work experience 1 to 2 years, minimum education level bachelor's degree, listed by employer, company size 11 to 50 employees. So they didn't mention the salary in this information, so maybe in the job later. So description, currently looking for a legal arbitration assistant. So they need a person who can guide them in the legal things, and who can deliver outstanding and effective secretarial services, and who have experience in legal courts and in handling local and international arbitration cases. So they need a person who can deal all of these legal arbitration problems and issues of the company. So, and if you are interested and you have some experience regarding the job title, so you can share your CV at the following given WhatsApp number. Travel consultant jobs in Dubai. Employment type full time, monthly salary 0 to 2000 AED, job role travel consultant, and minimum work experience 1 to 2 years. Salary would be would be up to 2000 AED, and experience would be 1 to 2 years. While describing the travel consultants meet with clients to discuss and learn about their travel requirements. They are responsible for advertising clients about suitable travel options in accordance with their needs, wants, and capabilities. In addition, they help them plan trips to domestic or international destinations, tours, accommodation, transport, insurance, and fares. Only Philippines and Indians can apply. So, for this job, only Philippines and Indians can apply. And this is very important to note that all of the jobs duties of the travel consultant, while this is, by the way, this is a job of a travel agent who must have the knowledge of all of the requirements of the customers, I mean the clients, and he need to help them in planning their trips, accommodations, transportation. So this is the duty of a travel consultant. And how to apply for this job? If you have an experience regarding the job title, and you have already you are already in the same working in the same capacity, then you can apply for this job. You So how to apply for this job? So they have mentioned their email address and their phone number, WhatsApp number, by the way, and you can share your CV, and they're given email address and phone number, WhatsApp number. Then walk-in interview. So they have arranged some walk-in interview for more than one post. Company name is Amna Vegetarian. Employment type full-time. Benefits, accommodation, and visa. Minimum work experience 1 to 2 years. Description: open interview. This is walk-in interview, by the way, for 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. for restaurants, and they need waiter and waitresses, dishwashers and helpers, cook and assistant cook, and cashiers as well. So there are so many jobs in the in this company. By the way, it's a restaurant, and they need waiter, waitresses, dishwasher, helper, cook and assistant cook, and cashiers. So there are so many jobs. If you are doing nothing these days and you are looking forward for some jobs, so it's a good option for you. Apply for the jobs, and they have given their two WhatsApp numbers. You can share your CVs on these numbers and for further information regarding the jobs. Then aluminium fabricators needed in Sharjah. Employment type full time. Monthly salary is this. Minimum work experience 2 to 5 years. Descriptions: we are looking for experienced aluminium fabricators and installers for pergola works in Sharjah. So the company, by the way, is based in Sharjah. They need aluminium fabricators. And if you are interested, you have some experience regarding the job title, so please share your CV at the following given email address. It's a good opportunity, and you can contact them through this WhatsApp number. Warehouse helper jobs in Dubai. Employment type full time. Monthly salary is 0 to 2000 AED. Minimum work experience of 1 to 2 years. And once again, same capacity is needed for this warehouse helper as well. There we are looking for warehouse helper salary 1100 AED with overtime and all other benefits like food, accommodation, and employment visa provided by the company. It's a all these are actually according to the UAE law and labor law. Kindly contact on for more information. So the job is for warehouse helper. Salary is 1100 AED along with the overtime and the benefits which they are going to provide you, the food, the accommodation, and employment visa as well. And if you are interested, you can apply for the job. They have given you their WhatsApp number. Please share your CV and go for it. Then another walk-in interview is there. Transportation and visa and 2 to 5 years experience is needed for this type of jobs. Let check out the this walk-in interview. Once again, it's open interview type job. An urgent vacancy for the following is staff to work in hypermarket. They need some staff for the hypermarket. Floor supervisor. They need so floor supervisor, merchandiser, helper for packing the grocery items, sales promoter, both males and females, and cleaners. So there are so many jobs. Once again, if you are qualified and if you have you are jobless these days, so it's a good opportunity as it has all types of the jobs, the big jobs and the small jobs as well. So there is a job of floor supervisor as well. There is a job of merchandiser along with the helper and cleaner. So it's very important, and it's a very good opportunity. Go for it. Apply for the job and share your CV, and you can call them for further details if you want to know anything. It's a job in some hypermarket in Dubai. Then bike rider jobs in Dubai, employment type full-time, minimum work experience 2 to 5 years. Once again, the job is full-time and minimum experience is 2 years and it could be up to 5 years. Descriptions: we are urgently looking for a bike rider who is proficient with routes and maps. The person should know, obviously, he is a bike rider. So he should know all of the locations, the major popular locations. Good salary package with commission provided. So they are going to provide you the salary along with the commissions. The candidate must have their own visa. And if interested, contact on. This is the job in which they are not going to give you the visa. So I mean, this benefit is not the part of this kind of job, but you must have your own visa. And if you are interested, you have your own bike as well, and you know the locations, most of the locations there in Dubai, then you can contact for this job. They have given you their WhatsApp number. Please share your CV and you can contact them for further details regarding the job as well. So that was my last job today. I thank you all for the patience listening. Inshallah ta'ala, we will meet again in the next video. Watch my video up to the end. Take care.